So even though Pier 1 is going out of business, my DIY projects are going back to business. I don't normally shop at Pier 1, but because it's a big clearance closeout sale, I decided to go in and see what they had. And luckily for me, they actually had exactly what I've been looking for months and months. But it wasn't any of their furniture that they sell. It was actually display cases that they have in their store. And here they are. I bought 3 of them. I made my hubby go pick them up. They actually come with these lids. But as soon as I saw them, I knew exactly what I needed it for and what I was gonna do with them. So I've cleaned them out, disinfected them, and also cleaned them out with a little bit of alcohol to kind of get that, shininess off of them, because for my project, we are going to cover them with contact paper because this is not the ideal color that I want. So I ordered some contact paper from Amazon. Here's the contact paper. It's white, so it goes with my boy's room, and it has, I don't know if you can tell, kind of like a little bit of a wood grain effect. So I'm going to cover these with this color contact paper, and then my project will be so simple and easy. And months of waiting for this to happen. I was going to make my husband make me these before, but lucky enough, we were able to find them. So I guess you can call these like display columns or cases. They're what the store used to put things inside or stack things up. And they come with these lids, but I will not be using these lids for my project, of course. But the thing that I like about it is that it does have the screws over here, so it'll make it easier for me to take them apart and put them together, so I can cover the whole thing with my white contact paper. And it's pretty fairly easy. You just unscrew it with your, just to give a little turn, they'll pop right off. And that way you can kind of work on one surface at a time. And that's what I'll be doing. I'm just gonna be using a scissor, an X-Acto knife, and one of these like Scotch tape paper cutter thingies. I don't know what to call them. I'll link it below. And that's basically it. And your contact paper. Easy little project and perfect for exactly what I needed it for the boys' room. Now that I have all my pieces of the cube separated, I can measure it and figure out most of the sizes are the same. So I'm just going to use this one as an example and do all of my cuts and then wrap them all individually. So basically I want to wrap it so that it's one seamless wrap instead of like cutting so many parts. So I'm going to kind of like do this like a sandwich kind of thing. You can use a scissor, but these things like one. So now I'll make all the cuts and start wrapping. Okay, so here we go. I'm peeling off a little bit of it to start lining it up. So this is the back end. I'm gonna line it up with the back end first. Okay, so just smoothing it out. One side is complete. Now we're gonna do the reverse side. So I'm doing the reverse side, but you have to make sure that these parts where the screws go in, we're gonna use the X-Acto knife later on. We're gonna kind of feel them out, and then that's where we're gonna make our cuts. But now this is the inside, so it's very forgiving. You can kind of like just do that. Okay, so as you can see, these are where the little screw things are. So I'm just going to follow that line. And there it is. So now I'm just folding the edge back. They can meet each other. This is the back part of the shelf, so it doesn't have to be super perfect. You won't be seeing these. And then for this, you just have to figure out which is the side that's gonna show, and then that's the one that you wanna make sure that it's perfect. I mean, you guys remember doing book covers when you went to school for your textbooks? That's basically what you're doing. So if you're left with a little bit of a seam from the sticky, it's so easy with just the X-Acto knife. Just right, this paper is just so easy. So right on the edge, careful with your fingers. Sorry, not manicured hands here. Just follow that edge. The first one is complete, and I'm loving how it turned out, and it doesn't even look like it's not really like this whitewashed wood. I'm loving it. And now just repeat the same process for all the other pieces. One down, 2 more to go. I just love the way that it came out, and it fit perfectly right in the little space in between the wall and the bed. The boys love it, and they love to read at night, so it's perfect for them. I hope you enjoyed this furniture hack, and please make sure to like and subscribe, and check out my other video of another furniture hack that I did. See you next time.